So, ma'am, what is difference between open and start?
ओपन का मतलब सिंपल मतलब ओपन का होता है खोलना। तो मैंने अपना यूट्यूब चैनल शुरू किया, स्टार्टेड। मैंने अपना यूट्यूब चैनल खोला नहीं। ओके, ओपन टू ओपन द कैप ऑफ द बॉटल, टू ओपन द बकेट, टू ओपन द लिड। किसी चीज को ओपन करने को हम ओपन बोलते हैं, शुरू करने को
Okay,
नहीं बोलते हैं। ठीक है,
okay,
तो ये मतलब आता है ओपन और स्टार्टेड का डिफरेंस।
okay, okay. I have one question also.
श्योर।
What is difference between went to and went? Suppose I am giving you two example. I went to market and
हम्म।
I went market. So what is
हम्म।
difference?
Okay.
Please tell me.
So basically, it is usually used when to the market. To will come when you are referring to a place. Okay, एक नाम है जब I went to the market, I went to the house, I went to the school, I went to the hospital. ठीक है, there every time I'm referring to a place, there is a name of the place. But if I'm saying I went there, there क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं. There's no specific place.
Okay.
Okay, then you can say I went there. I went to there will not come. Okay, so when there is a specific place, even if it's a name of the city, or even generally you're talking to, like I went to the city, I went to the market, I went to the hospital, or I went to Reliance Hospital, then you will say to. I went there, no specific name, I went there, no
Give
to
me
will use.
two and three example.
I went there, I went. Usually we use there only. I am not getting. I'll give you 1 second.
Actually, generally we use went to,
Hmm.
but
When to only, because usually we are referring to a specific name. You know,
yes,
we it's very rare that we use there. We used to say, we use there to speak. For example, if you're talking about yesterday and you went to the market, yes, so you will say I went to the market. You will not say I went there. So usually because we use these kind of terms, that is why we use too often. We don't speak a lot of sentences where we are not using to.
yes,
I will
yes.
just give you some example. Wait.
Actually, I have attended one session with
Okay,
another
okay. I'll give you.
tutors
Okay.
in English Yaari. So that time I told her, ma'am, I went to shopping mall or something.
Mm-hmm.
Right now, I don't remember. So
Mm-hmm.
that time, my teacher told
Mm-hmm.
me, don't
Mm-hmm.
say Suman went to. You can say went, but I can't remember right now. But
Okay.
today I got to know from you. Okay, no problem.
Yeah, this is a difference. For example, as you were asking for more examples, I went there. I went there for meetings. I'm glad I went there. I went there to win. Okay, that's a general sentence कि मैं वहाँ जीतने के लिए गया. um, I went there immediately. I went there in hurry. So whenever there is no specific thing mentioned, you will say, there. You will not use to. When you are mentioning a specific place, I went to the market. Went to with shopping mall. You cannot say. I don't know who's the tutor or what actually she told you. So with shopping mall, you have to use to. You cannot say I went shopping mall. I went shopping could be one thing. Verb के साथ आप use कर सकते हो, but to shopping mall will come.
Okay.
Okay,
Actually,
I
I
went
can. Okay, continue. Go ahead.
shopping
Go ahead.
to the shopping mall. I went for shopping to the shopping mall. I went shopping to the shopping mall. But shopping mall के साथ तो to आएगा.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Okay, Suman. So that was quite a feedback for you. I have a next session to go to. It's already 30. So have a
Sure. Sure.
wonderful day and have a wonderful year ahead. So whenever we'll get to meet again, we'll do some of more of these rules of English. Okay.
Definitely, ma'am. Thank you for
So
giving me your
thank you so
precious
much.
time, ma'am. Hope to
No
see you soon
worries. Thank you. It's my
again.
duty. Have a wonderful day. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.